to our channel Login Aid. In this guide video, I will show you how to cancel Discover credit card. In order to cancel a Discover credit card, you need to contact Discover's customer service by phone and speak with a representative. You cannot cancel your card online or through the mobile application. Before cancelling your credit card, you have to take into consideration a few things. You need to notify your credit card company to cancel a credit card. Cancelling a credit card can impact your credit score because it will change your credit utilization ratio. A cancelled credit card account can stay on your credit history and credit report for up to 10 years. So in order to proceed to cancel the credit card, first of all, what you have to do is contact the Discover's customer service. For that, what you can do is simply call the number on the back of your card, or you can also find the number on your credit card statement. After you call the number, what you have to do is simply tell them that you want to cancel your Discover card. Be prepared to provide information like your name, account number, or address to verify your identity. Inform the representative that you want to close your account. They may ask for a reason, but you do not have to provide one. But if you want to provide, you can also provide the reason. Now you'll have to confirm the cancellation. Ensure the representative confirms the account closure and that your account will be properly updated. It is recommended to request an email confirmation for your records. Now after that, the Discover will cancel your credit card. Once the cancellation is confirmed, destroy the card by shredding or cutting it up to protect your information. So like this, you'll be able to cancel the Discover credit card. So that is how you cancel Discover credit card. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.